Yo, I feel.
Scavenger hunt.
Let's go.
First, I'm gonna break down the rules of the scavenger hunt because I got the list. Don't nobody else got the list but me. That mean I'm kind of cheating, huh? Come on, y'all, so I can tell y'all rules. And this is really not snow, y'all. This is ice. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
Let's get it. Let's go already. I'm ready to win.
We got 15 minutes to complete this scavenger hunt. Make one snow angel.
That's easy.
All right, so you gonna send me the list because me and Drew, we ready.
You gotta find a pine cone or a leaf. You gotta find something round. Then you gotta find 3 sticks. Then we gotta write your name in the snow. Find something soft and make a snow sled down the driveway. So Jace, you on my team, Jace.
They playing, they trying to play. What we got right here? Look what we got, Drew. What you doing, man? Drew, what? Hold on, for what?
Yeah, we not ready yet.
Drew, are we ready? We ready, ain't it?
Come on.
We ready.
I got a stick.
Get one. I got 3 sticks.
Okay, we gonna sit them up here. They all over there.
Some round. We got some round right here, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, Drew. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Alright. I know you bundled up, girl. Bundle you back up.
Get the ball, just get the ball. That's so real. We gotta find something soft. Look at him, look at him.
Alright, baby. Go, make snow angel. Snow angel. Look at the snow angel. There we go. Make snow angel.
We gotta find something soft. We don't know what to find soft, y'all. What is soft in this? All this ice, Jace.
No, 3 leaves.
This soft, Jace.
Where?
This.
Yeah, get it.
Jace, your snow angel not snowing. Look at our names, y'all.
I did it. There go Duke and Drew. Yep, another 5. Give me another 5. Oh yeah. Face. Let's find some soft, baby. This is some soft. This is soft.
That ain't soft.
That's soft, y'all. I know what's soft. That's that soft butt right there.
That booty soft. We forgetting one thing.
What?
Gotta make a sled down the driveway.
Hey, something tall. Something tall right there. Light pole. All right, Drew. Drew gone. All right, Drew.
Yeah.
What? Move, Jace. Move. Move. Stop cheating. All right, Drew. Yeah, Drew. That girl slide.
Was it?
I think we both won, didn't it?
You think we both won?
We did everything. What y'all do? Did y'all find some towel?
I don't see y'all name nowhere in the
Did
snow.
y'all find some towel? Huh?
Yeah, the goal. The basketball goal. But
it's right there in the street.
let me see.
Go find it.
Let me see.
Go find our names in the street.
Yo, I feel.
You okay?
I need help up, y'all. Hold on, get the camera.
Appreciate y'all for spending time with the Action with the Jackson on our scavenger hunt. You know, me and Drew really won, but everybody wins, you know, when you with the family.
Yeah, so y'all in the snow, find y'all something to do, you know? This is not snow, this is ice. I fail. He's just so sad.
He's just so sad. Yeah, you got people still driving around up in here, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see y'all later. Peace.